Welcome to the Scan Pro Video Recommend series, where our expert team pick out products they think should be on your kit list. And this time, it's all about film and photography shooting. For lighting, the Nanlite Litolight 5C is awesome. This pocket-sized RGBW LED panel light gives a choice of 36,000 colours, with adjustable colour temperature from 2,700 kelvins to 7,500. With customisable lighting effects, built-in Bluetooth for app control, and its magnetic design, you'll have plenty of options for lighting your shoots from different angles. For audio, we have the Rode Wireless Go 2. This is an ultra-compact and versatile wireless mic with dual channels. With a 200-metre range and onboard recording capability, it's a great addition to cameras, mobile devices and computers, and at a great price. Next is the Polarpro Quartzline FX lens filter range. Their gold morphic and blue morphic filters bring affordable anamorphic style flares to a wide range of lenses, whilst the mist filters add an atmospheric illumination to everyday light. Available in a range of sizes, you can even add an optional step-up ring to make one filter fit all your lenses. Small Rigs Cage is available for a variety of small form factor cameras and features a multitude of threaded holes so you can attach multiple accessories. It's well designed and fits securely to your camera, giving you a full production rig at a price that won't break the bank. The Powerbase Edge from Core SWX is a super powerful small form Cine and DSLR pack. This battery includes one 8-volt port to power various cameras, 2 USB outputs to enable charging of mobile devices, and 2 DTAP outputs to power things like monitors, lights and wireless transmitters. The LCD display tells you exactly how many minutes power you've got left, whilst the quick release plate attaches under the camera rig or cage. Make sure you're subscribed to our Pro Video YouTube channel so you don't miss the rest of our Scan Recommend series for all of your Pro Video needs. And for further information on all of the products featured, visit scan.co.uk/ScanProVideo.